Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip with flower shaped cup and I will use some beautiful purples today. This will be my base. I mixed some white and art creation, King's Blue and a little bit of Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, and colors that I will use are Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, Arteza Pearl Royal Purple, and Amsterdam Reflex Rose, and my Pearl White mixture that it's Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with white, Titanium White, and my pouring medium. And I'm working on 10 by 10 inch canvas, and I will pour my base down, and not to bother you, I will just do this off camera and I will be right back. So my base coat is down, and now I will mark the middle with the string. This is the easiest way for me to find the middle, because it's nice to have your cup in the middle, and even if you have it, I still get offside almost every time, but you know, it's not something that it's really wrong in fluid art. Okay, so I will start layering my paints, and I will start with pearl to have some lacing on the outside of my flower, and then Permanent Blue Violet, and Pearl White again, and this Royal Pearl Purple Royal Pearl Royal Violet, not this, Pearl White again, and Reflex Rose. I will turn this around, we'll go again. I have a ton of air bubbles, I don't know why. It should be because of the weather, you know, humidity and everything kind of affects this. So I will spray it with water to be a little softer to work with. This is how I like it. I thought that I didn't press the play button, record button on my camera. Okay, now I will place it down in the middle. Okay, and the other half. I will just gently go around, just to press it down. And now I will lift my napkin. 4 corners. Trying to keep this in the middle as much as I can. Grab all this together. Slowly straight up. Not a lot of lacing. Something is not quite okay with my mixture today, but I still like it. Press this middle, and I think that I will spin it a little bit, so I will add some more paint around. Spread it a little bit, because you know, when you spin you can destroy your pattern if this is totally uneven around, or if you have much more paint on one side. But you look, starts to develop. If you decide that you will spin, you have to look at your middle, because it will grow, and if you will not like it, it will be even bigger, you know. Just watch for the air bubbles. I don't even know if I want to spin it now, because kind of like it. This base will level out, so even though it is not leveled right now, it will level out. I wish that you could tell me. Let's do just one little spin. And as you can see, it's not in the middle again. I will just leave it like it is, because I like it. just scrape this a little bit because I don't want that paint will continue flowing off the canvas, because it can affect your flower. I just wish that I will just try to stretch it a little bit. Go back. Okay. I will just look at this middle if I want to do something with it, because sometimes some main parts start to appear in the middle. Okay. One more torch and I will take you down for a close-up. Really a lot of air bubbles today. Okay, close-up. So here it is. At first I thought that I will not get any lacing, but now I see the lacing, but a little different today. Should be something because it's cold here. A little colder in my studio too, but still I think it's quite beautiful. Not in the center, but it's okay. I have to figure out how to, I don't know, leave this. Probably it's a little bit because of my lifting part too, but anyhow, I like it. So this is it for today. Have a nice day, weekend, and see you on the next one. Bye!